Kia. I get this one with fish fillet. And there's like a dessert, and then for my husband a sandwich. And this is how it looks like.
To say this is shit jazz.
You want some of my fries?
Oh, that's incredible. Does it feel to hospital? What did you say?
Yeah. It doesn't. What's the difference?
It has to be, it's got to be filled with something.
No. It looks like just a normal today. Maybe it's just okay with them because they think people they don't know the difference. It's just a lot of like foreigners. But did you see the other foreign dong? They had so much fries. They ordered like 3-4 fries. Fully vegetarian or something. I don't know.
That's what the kids want to use, it's cheap.
I don't know. How much was it giving?
Not that much, I don't know.
But you're happy with your sandwich? If you can choose which one you like the most, like if your sandwich and this burger, which one are you gonna grab for lunch?
Really depend on what kind of burger it is.
The most burger you eat all the time?
The burger, I don't charge burger.
Really? I cannot see the difference between the sandwich and burger actually. It's like the same to
You
me.
give me this is cold.
The sandwich is cold all the time.
Caution this is a warm sandwich.
So if you say sandwich, it's cold. If you say burger, normally it's warm.
Burger is by default always warm.
You don't like a lot of fruits, huh?
Not too much, I know.
I have to say that the fish tastes like nachos. Yeah, I know, but
It's fine.
because sometimes you eat something that's you can taste the flavor, and this one is just.
Flavorless.
But maybe it's meant to be that way. And then you just put the salt and pepper. So, the soda brand ba? Ay na, the cola you got. Is it like, you can refill it all the time? How much?
Jump.
Really? Then it's so cheap compared to water.
What's this water?
Then, but it's just one bottle, right?
You put your fingers in.
Oh,
Didn't have to take a spoon for that.
this is cool.
Small spoon. Okay.
This is actually nice also though. Then you will remember the things you have to do, I don't know.
Roll it again. Aí com filho aí, que foi já. Ah.
An idea for me in the future. There's a light there. And here you can eat. the kitchen.